I am super against like people hating on influencers just because they're influencers.
Yet in Pakistan, generally, I feel we have really good comedy influencers. Like they're really good, बहुत funny यार. Internet एक तो वैसे ही it's super funny. I love the internet.
Bella started doing this कि वो like relatable or real लगने के
Dude,
लिए अपने
Rakhi
road-
Sawant started it. Excuse me. Bella Hadid did not start it. It was Rakhi Sawant.
Rakhi, love Rakhi.
Don't take credit away from her. This whole Hania Amir and Asim Azhar situation that's going on. I just feel कि थोड़ा लंबा चल गया यार.
Yeah, ये food bloggers का क्या scene होता है? People watch your videos to get actual recommendations. I've tried some stuff which these influencers raved about and
Yeah.
इतना वो mid निकला था ना.
Because you guys have been asking for it so much. I've been getting so many DMs.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share my morning skincare routine. Nobody asked you, babe.
वो skincare बाद में शुरू हुई थी. पहले they show कि they wake up at like 6. And पहले तो यही इतनी अजीब बात है कि कैमरा सेट करके they get in the bed and then they pretend.
Fraternity of content creators.
What?
LinkedIn. Hi everyone, I'm Mariam.
I'm Aisha.
And this is the last brain cell.
Intro आया, intro
We have
आया.
no intro, so we'll just make our own.
Mariam, do you remember when you used to push me to become an influencer?
Yeah.
Which, by the way, मतलब influencer बनना is a full-on job.
It's a full-on
It is so
job,
difficult. It is so
but
difficult putting yourself out there.
I truly believe that you still have the potential. Like guys, she's amazing with styling. She styles herself really well. She's good looking. She's tall. She's a
it's
very
like
creative
correct
person.
range.
She can conduct herself really well. What's there not to love?
That's just because you love me, Mariam. That
I
doesn't
do
mean
love
that everyone
you.
will love me.
But I think everyone will love you. But what do you think is that one trick to becoming
One
like a
trick?
successful
I think
influencer content creator?
अपनी इज्जत को दबा दें मिट्टी में
Yeah.
and inhibitions को खत्म करते हैं.
Having
I
a
think-
thick skin.
Thick skin and like because it's all about like just putting yourself out there now, and of course it is so daunting. मतलब हमें कितने लोग जज करते होंगे, हंसते होंगे, क्या क्या कहेंगे. But I think as I've grown older, like I'm letting go of those kind of inhibitions. Like, so what if you don't like me? So what if people laugh
Yeah,
at
but
you?
technically we're not there yet. So I think I do.
नहीं, but for
understand
for
कि
but
you
for
need to-
anyone who's putting themselves online or like in a public view, everyone is criticized. No?
Yeah, I think
Some
you need
more,
to
some
really
less.
have like a thick skin for sure. And but I can't, yeah. I just feel I'm not meant for it. I love going into the depth of whatever anybody said to me, whether it's my personal life. I mean, I'm working on it, even in my personal life, like whether it's friends, family, my partner, whoever. I just
Feel a lot.
I'm a very sensitive person.
Yeah, guys, don't send hate stuff.
Nobody's
to Mariam.
sending us anything. Nobody's sending us anything at all. Hate तो दूर
Yeah,
की-
but don't be mean to
भेजो hate
Mariam.
भेजो कुछ तो भेजो.
Don't be mean to Mariam, guys. She's a sensi.
Yeah, I'm a sense.
Send to.
Yeah, I am.
Me, on the other hand, I don't care.
Yeah, I
but that
think you're
doesn't mean don't
pretty-
send. That doesn't mean send hate. Don't.
You send me hate, send me anything. I just want stuff.
I just want important.
I just want people to notice.
उधर से कोई drama create कर लेंगे.
I know. Anyways, so what? Yeah. So you think growing a thick skin or
Being नहीं, क्या कहते हैं उसको? हाँ, बस like not having inhibitions. That's
not
the.
having inhibitions?
But
okay.
like there should be an end to it also. Like you've seen वो जो influencers that go like beyond what is right. जिस तरह लोग दिखाते हैं किसी का accident हो गया and they're making a vlog at that time. And then someone was telling me कि अभी एक influencer की शादी हुई है and they were making content on the stage. So that's
I think
weird
I
also.
know who you're talking about.
And then I saw ये एक खैर it's a funny TikTok, funny तो नहीं है, but it's a TikTok video जिसमें एक पाकिस्तानी कोई like गांव की लड़की है and उसके अब्बू is passing away and she's
Oh shit, damn.
making a video. And
That's not nice. यार.
so limits obviously होनी चाहिए, but I don't remember my point.
Yeah, I
but
think
हाँ मतलब inhibitions कहीं ना कहीं तो होनी चाहिए, but कम करनी पड़ती हैं to become a good as if I would know a thing. मैं कौन सी
Yeah.
influencer हूँ, ऐसे मुंह चला रही हूँ. But anyway,
it's not easy. I think it's a very
It's
difficult
not
thing, and I
easy.
think people don't. I mean, we are nobodies right now, but we've seen, because of our work and our professions, we know how this kind of industry works.
yeah, there's a
And-
lot of work that goes into it. And also, I am super against like people hating on influencers just because they're influencers.
Yeah.
Or people like belittling that
I mean,
profession.
you don't hate any other profession, right? This is also a profession of its own. And having, like, just continuing my thought, that it's a very difficult one. Especially, I don't know about influencers so much. I still feel that content creators or influencers technically have it slightly easier versus people, for example, who are actors. Because I've worked with both closely, and I do feel कि influencers के पास थोड़ा सा ये, yes, I feel in terms of putting their life out there, that's very challenging, and I think kudos to everybody who's a content creator for doing that, putting their lives out there, putting themselves out there. But I still feel like actors or actresses probably have it more difficult when it comes to like the physical strain of doing work.
That
As a
is
content
true.
creator, you have the liberty of picking your own time, and जब आपने video shoot करनी है, दिन के किसी भी time में, रात में करनी है, दिन में करनी है, at your own pace. But as I think an actor or whatever, that's a completely different game.
Yeah,
But now we have
then
actors who've turned into influencers and
and
content
influencers
creators.
who've turned into actors.
Yeah, what do you think about that?
I'm all for it. Like,
I'm
जिसका
not
जहाँ
for
दाव
it.
लगता है, I'm all for it. करें,
I
why
think
not?
I think a lot of influencers who've turned into actors are actually shit actors.
Yeah, मतलब, हाँ, could be.
Yeah,
Could be.
because
But
acting
I-
is
but
like a
I-
skill, dude.
It is a skill, but मैं तो कहती हूँ कि जिसको जहाँ रास्ता मिलता है,
Yeah.
वहाँ पे घुस जाए तो good for them.
Okay.
If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But yeah, I think people hate on them because लोगों को लगता है it's a shortcut to success. Like जैसे तुमने कहा, actors,
Yeah.
like they have to work so much and work
Dude, the
long hours and stuff. And उसके बाद जाकर उनका एक
Shoots and
ड्रामा
shifts
निकलता
are
है.
so
They are so
long.
strenuous, we
They're
know.
so strenuous, and a lot of, I mean, in terms of financial output, there's not a lot. Especially
Unless
if you're doing
you make
dramas.
it like
Yeah, unless you're a
you make
big,
it
big
big, yeah.
star. I think if you're just shooting a small role in a drama and then आप पूरे दिन set पे ख्वार हुए जा
Just
रहे हैं
for, like, इतना सा role.
literally a 5 minute का role, it's too much. It's too much hard work, and I don't know how some people do it. It's difficult stuff.
But I think my point was that people hate on them because they think it's a shortcut. But actually, I think the hate comes from कि मुझे ऐसी opportunity क्यों नहीं मिली.
But I do feel that content creation is a relatively easy job to do versus other professions. I know it's a hot take, guys. It's my opinion. But I do feel that it's probably, I'm not framing it correctly. It's not easier, but I feel like it's easy. It rewards you very quickly.
If you make it.
Most of the people, I think, make it eventually if you're consistent. I think from what I have seen,
I think
if
we
you're
should do an
consistent-
experiment.
yeah, I think we should try and be consistent.
Let's see if you make it then.
Yeah.
Okay, Mariam, who is your favorite influencer?
Ooh, in Pakistan?
Yeah. Yeah, favorite now be or just like influencers that you appreciate.
Yeah, in Pakistan, generally, I feel we have really good, like, comedy influencers. Like, they're really good. बहुत funny. यार, internet एक तो वैसे ही, it's super funny. I love the internet.
Same.
I think for me, and this person has grown on me. Yeah? Initially, I used to find his videos really annoying. But his name is Abbas, and he does these comedy videos.
Abbas Bukhari?
Yes, Abbas
I love
Bukhari.
him.
I love him.
I love him so much.
He is really
so funny.
Dude, and he's so accurate. His
Yeah.
acting skills are just...
Yeah.
I
And
probably
wo-
shouldn't have done that, but...
No, like and like his content is so smart also because वो इतना nuanced होता है
It's
हमेशा.
very
like,
nuanced.
Every character that he plays is so nuanced.
And the things, the habits that he picks up on, like, dude,
Like, you
how
don't
do you
realize it.
do that?
And when you watch the video, you're like, like this is
Exactly
how they are.
No, I think
So,
he's
yes, I love it.
hilarious. Uske alawa, like I said, I really like comedy people. So there are some girls also, I can't think of names right now, but there's this guy called Farhanullah Aziz, and this dude was my junior in LUMS. I had never interacted
Yeah,
with
he's
him, but
funny.
when he started content creation, I knew कि वो मतलब university में मेरा junior था and all that. But yeah, he's really funny, and he has a very chaotic kind of comedy.
different सा अजीब सा
It's
थोड़ा है
very
ना.
weird.
Yeah, but
like
it's
he's
nice.
very
It's
weird, but
fresh.
I love it. I love how
also
weird
love
they are.
Sanan Saleh.
Yeah, oh
उसका
my
भी
god,
बहुत
so
funny होता
funny.
है. And अभी ये 3 boys मिलके कर रहे हैं, Dayan, Sanan and
Dayan is
Huzaifa.
also very funny.
Dayan is so funny.
These guys are very
that
funny,
boy is
yaar.
like dank humor. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Same, yeah.
But this content that they're making, it is so like multi-leveled, funny भी होते हैं,
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा satire भी होते हैं, like political commentary भी होती है. So I just love it. I think it's great.
It's great.
We
but
love you guys.
apart from, I think Pakistan does comedy really well when it comes to content. I don't
Apart
really,
from comedy.
I don't really have. I was saying, I don't really have a pick when it comes to lifestyle, because I feel, I mean, it's a hot take again, but I feel our lifestyle influencers need to put in more effort. Like everybody's looking the same, they're wearing the same brands. Okay, I get it, brand deals and everything, but the aesthetic is the same.
But और कुछ है नहीं ना मरियम, क्या
It's
करें लाहौर में
pastels, it's
3,
blow
4, 5
dries, it's
जगहें हैं.
heels, and even the way that they shoot themselves, Aisha, it's different. Like your account needs to have your own aesthetic or needs to represent you a little bit, just like it is for any other genre or any other genre of content creation. I just feel कि और effort डालने की ज़रूरत है यार, मतलब कि कुछ अच्छा, कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जो आपने नहीं देखा हो. I just feel it all looks the same when it comes to lifestyle and fashion bloggers or influencers.
So there's this
yeah.
one fashion lifestyle Instagrammer that I really like, Rija Mujahid. Have you seen her content?
I think I've heard of her. Wait,
You must
let me
have seen
check
her.
it
She
out.
does a lot of shoots now. But I love her. I feel like she's so pretty and her content is so polished.
Rija Mujahid.
Yeah.
Okay. Who else?
Not fashion, but I also love Mushelverse. Do you know her?
Yes.
Who gives like financial advice.
Yes,
I love her
yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes,
She is such a
yes.
girl boss, and I'm obsessed.
And I absolutely hate
And I
how
take
much
her
hate
advice.
she's getting just because she's
Acha, I
a
don't
woman
know.
talking about money. Guys, please.
Where does she get the hate?
She's getting a lot of hate from men. Like at least initially, I don't follow her a lot, but when she, I think, started making finance related content, she blew up. Like काफी
Yeah.
उसका
because no one else
because
was
you've
doing
never
it in
seen a
Pak-
woman talk about
No one
money
else
so
was doing
much.
it at all. जैसे ही उसने शुरू किया था तो उसके बाद से I've seen like 2-3 other influencers also.
But I think it
starting
also
this.
takes guts, Aisha, because in our society
Absolutely.
specifically, लोगों को लगता है कि औरतों को पैसों के बारे में, फाइनेंसेस के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. हालांकि बिल्कुल बकवास है, because I think growing up I've seen how great my mom and my photos and all, like घर के usually खर्चे वगैरह औरतें ही चला रही होती हैं mostly घरों में, contrary to popular belief, because लोगों को लगता है कि yeah, men are driving and they're making decisions, but I know a lot of men who actually come and give all their salaries and everything to their wives or whatever. So I really love her. Like
Yeah,
I think
I
she's
love her
doing a
too.
great job.
She's
But-
such a babe also.
What kind of stuff do you think content creators are doing which is like icky
Icky?
or should be de-influenced?
I will tell you. I think we should take this to a segment.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
It should be guide to becoming an influencer. Let's do that.
Okay. Interesting.
Roll it, guys, to
Roll
the
it, roll
segment.
it.
So, guys, I asked ChatGPT if one wants to be an influencer, what are the steps to becoming an influencer? And this is a great guide, so I'll share it with you guys. So, it's called Influencer Bootcamp: How to Sell Your Soul
Oh my god.
aesthetically.
Aesthetically.
So the first step is to find your niche. So your niche can be, if you're from Lahore, your niche is brunch and being inspirational.
Totally.
Totally. If you're from Karachi, it's pretending you live in Dubai.
I don't think so.
Shots fired.
I
If
don't
you're
think
from
so.
Islamabad, congrats. Your niche is existing with mountains.
That is so
Spot on.
true. Going for a hike.
Acha, ek aur niche that I've seen is that I think started from my queen Bella Hadid.
I love Bella Hadid.
Crying has also become a niche. Like trauma.
Crying on social media.
Yeah.
Is
ये
it?
शायद पहले से था. Yeah, but like Bella started doing this कि वो like relatable or real लगने के
Dude,
लिए अपनी
Rakhi
रोने-
Sawant started it. Excuse me. Bella Hadid did not start it. It was Rakhi Sawant.
Rakhi, love Rakhi.
Don't
Sawant.
take credit away from her, please. I love Rakhi Sawant.
Anyway, trauma is also a niche, so you
Yeah.
can do that too. And like depression
But
is
you
also
can't
a
see
niche.
trauma. I feel like trauma का ना अपने तड़का लगाना चाहिए अपने content में every now and then. Like your entire
you should, like,
existence cannot be about
that
trauma and crying on
yeah,
camera.
yeah, that's true. Like you need to sprinkle it
Sprinkle
in
it कि oh now this has happened in my
yeah,
life.
like to show them कि हम भी इंसान है, like हमारे साथ भी बुरा
Yeah,
होता है,
हमें
हम
हमारी भी
रोते हैं.
feelings
That's
होती हैं,
exactly
okay?
how Bella
हमारी भी
put it.
feelings हैं.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you're right. That shouldn't be a
Yeah.
niche. So step number 2 is to build an aesthetic. That
Yeah.
means that, and they've given some examples. The example is that you hold your chai like it's a prop, not a beverage.
I'm all for it. I love pretty things. But different kinds of pretty things. Like don't make every post look the same.
What do you think about log jo like restaurants mein jaake they always they're trying to take like aesthetic pictures of food.
I honestly feel that it is kind of overdone now. And there are too many such pictures. I mean, I won't be like, wow, if I look at your account and if I'm scrolling and I see a very nice aesthetic picture of food anymore. I feel food content
वैसे
में
पुराना
अब
हो गया.
बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने चीज़ें कर ली हैं. Like there's amazing content that's being made. So aesthetic photos will just not cut it anymore.
Next tip is every photo must include fairy lights or a fake smile. I don't think of fairy lights.
Fairy
I think
lights are
this is
so
also
out. Oh, I have one.
What?
Is to have like a boyfriend or a partner or
But, like,
like a
not
girlfriend.
show them.
Yeah, like that soft launch kind of
Yeah,
situation
Like
that
just
people are doing.
charm,
Yeah.
Or like holding a rose, like secret
Yeah, having a
admirer.
relationship is basically great for content creation.
Yeah, but
I
like
feel.
don't reveal it too soon because then people.
But
will
even
lose
people who
interest.
reveal it, उनको भी बहुत ही फायदा हो रहा है यार. Come on. मतलब imagine आप पैसे कमा रहे हैं पहले from being, you know, individual and whatever you're doing on your channel or your page, and then you have a partner and then आप दोनों पैसे कमा रहे हैं. That's excellent. That's genius. I love it.
हाँ वो होता है ना इन्फ्लुएंसर बनते हैं फिर उनका मियाँ भी आ जाता है फिर उनके
बच्चे
बच्चे भी
भी
आ जाते हैं
बच्चों के
उनके
accounts बन
चाचा
रहे हैं
मामा भी आ
यार.
जाते हैं
बच्चों के और
Yeah.
पेट्स के भी अकाउंट बने. I love it. Yeah.
Friends and
People are
family.
making money and I love it. I love it when people make money.
The next step is to be relatable, but you have to fake it. So, rule 1, relatability sells. Pretend to be broke while holding Dior.
I don't
What does
think
that
so.
mean?
I think the people who are holding a Dior, they're holding a Dior and they're just unapologetic
हाँ, but you know
about
like
it.
how, so they're saying कि relatable होने के लिए लोग fake करते हैं.
Yeah.
So, you'll be like, oh, like, I'm poor or this is so expensive, but they're actually really rich.
No, I haven't seen anybody like that, honestly. But I do feel there are a lot of people on the internet who pretend to be really bubbly and very
और
fun
असल में
and,
नहीं होते हैं.
and very relatable, and they're not. They're duds when you meet them in person. I've met quite a few people like that. So guys, please don't buy everything that you see on the internet.
So you know how like people show their morning routines and they show कि हम उठते
Oh my
हैं.
god, because you guys have been asking for it so much. I've been getting so many DMs.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share my morning skincare routine. Nobody asked you, babe.
वो skincare बाद में शुरू होती है. पहले they show कि they wake up at like 6. And पहले तो यही इतनी अजीब बात है कि camera set करके they get in the bed and then they pretend.
Oh,
Like,
that's
they're
the thing.
waking up.
I've not seen this.
Yes, you have. You haven't noticed it. तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा videos
I
देखी
don't
होंगी.
watch a lot of skincare and makeup content.
But they basically show that they're getting out of the bed. And then
and do they look flawless while they are?
It's curated.
It's curated.
No
कि
makeup,
हल्का सा
makeup.
concealer लगा
Yeah,
लो.
yeah.
पूरा ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि makeup क्या हुआ because you have to
of
be
course.
relatable. But you know, let me just conceal my
And
under
then you
eyes a
say,
little
कि, oh,
bit.
please don't mind my no makeup face, you know.
Yeah,
or
and
like,
my
face is
room
looking
looks
puffy.
really messy, guys. But
Yeah,
like
but
I
it's
just
totally
woke up.
curated. Everything.
Yeah,
is
yeah,
curated.
yeah.
And then they show 5 बजे उठे हैं, फिर उन्होंने like gym गए हैं, फिर
The that whole thing के my 5 to 9 before my 9 to 5.
Who is doing this?
I don't know. Nobody's doing it, but they're doing it on
Losers.
the internet.
They're losers. That's what I have to say.
I also think they're losers. I think we are the winners because our work starts at 9. We wake up at 8:30. That's the
true.
life.
That's like efficiency. Like maximizing
हाँ
your
यार,
sleep time.
come on, लाइफ को इजी रखो यार. ये क्या तुम लोग सबके लिए इतनी बड़ी बड़ी एक्सपेक्टेशंस रख रहे हो, पर हमें बुरा फील होता है that we're not doing enough in life.
Yeah. And then they show like कि वो फिर घर आते हैं, proper breakfast बनाते हैं, फिर कुत्ते को खाना खिलाते हैं, फिर तैयार होके ऑफिस जाते हैं,
No,
फिर
that's
ऑफिस से
not
निकल के
happening.
grocery shopping जाते हैं, and then they make food. Like no one is doing that.
Who else do you think? And we can have बाहर Pakistan के बाहर भी somebody who you think is doing a great job or is like a should be the guidebook of how a content creator should be. I think it depends, but
I
still.
don't know. Everyone who's made it. Everyone
Okay.
who's made it, literally.
Good answer.
Wow, very good.
Great answer.
Very good answer.
Great conversation.
Okay, step number 4. Create drama and then apologize for it. It's the oldest rule book.
Everybody's doing that. I think.
And then you create drama, then you apologize for it, and then you make another video saying कि I'm feeling so sad because लोगों ने मेरी apology accept नहीं की. And then उससे भी आप views लो.
Yeah, I don't get it, and I also
Like play the victim, keep playing the victim. Like that also gets your attention.
लेकिन अब आई थिंक लोगों को अब समझ में आने लगा है लाइक जो बहुत ज़्यादा विक्टिम प्ले करते हैं ना people on the internet, yes, they are trolls and they're hateful, but they've also become very intelligent. I think our audience is extremely intelligent. Also, I don't like it when people over justify or over explain themselves on the internet.
What do you mean?
Like, for example, this whole Hania Amir and Asim Azhar situation that's going on. I know, yes, I am obsessed with them. Yes, I love you, Hania, and I love you, Asim. I love Asim's music. But I just feel कि थोड़ा लंबा चल गया यार. मतलब, I do feel that at some point, yes, there are speculations. Nobody knows. I think they're together. But there are speculations on both sides. Okay? Maybe they are, or maybe they're just using it to... They're not actually dating and they're just using it to
For
get a lot
PR,
of,
yeah.
attention and everything. But I just feel like it's overdone now. If they're dating, they should just come out and say it and own it.
I don't
And if
think
they're
Hania
not, they
can
should
do
stop
that.
dropping hints.
I don't
You
think
know?
Hania wants to do that because she is like at the peak of her career and she wants
Asim
like,
is also at the peak of his career.
Miss unattainable wala, so they don't, and they're getting a lot of PR from it. So
But I also feel that Asim is also at the top of his career.
I
He's making
don't know
great.
enough
Have you
about
seen his new album Situation?
nope.
It's good stuff. I feel like something great is coming. And उसने I think एक आध कोई teaser वगैरह भी launch किया. It looks really good.
So tip for Hania Amir, like stop doing it.
Stop
Maryam
doing
is
what?
saying कि बस कर
Yeah,
दो
just
यार.
come out and say it, guys. It's fine. Nobody's gonna hold you. Yeah, people
will
are
be
going
happy.
to send hate, but there are also people who will be really, really happy and they're literally shipping you guys all the time. And लोग जाके जो hints होती भी नहीं है उसको pick कर रहे थे कि इसने ये
Overanalyze कर
chain
रहे
पहनी है तो उसने भी वो chain पहनी है.
अब इनकी
So
picture
just-
भी इधर थी और इसकी picture भी इधर
Yeah.
थी.
Come on, guys. Give people some happiness. It's a sad world already. So just do it.
So
Yeah.
so verdict is
That they're dating. They are. They're really cute together. Yeah, I do feel bad for the other chick, but I think she is great and she'll get amazing things also.
Yeah, inshallah.
Yeah,
दुआ
But-
कर लेते हैं.
yeah.
आमीन.
Amin.
यार ये फूड ब्लॉगर्स का क्या सीन होता है? What do you think?
मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता हर खाना कैसे अच्छा हो सकता है भाई, एंड स्पेशली जब आप लाहौर में रहते हो. How can every food be good?
यार दीन ईमान ही नहीं होता इन लोगों का.
कोई दीन ईमान नहीं
हर
होता
जगह
भाई.
जाके खाते हैं, हर जगह जाके
और हर जगह जाके कि आपने ऐसी चीज लाहौर में कभी ट्राई नहीं की होगी एंड ये लच्छा पराठा ना. डूड, एवरी लच्छा पराठा कैन नॉट बी गुड. आई मीन वी हैव पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि चलो मुफ्ता तो मिल जाता है ना इस बहाने.
मिल तो जाते हैं, बट मतलब पीपल वॉच योर वीडियोस टू गेट actual recommendations.
एक्चुअल में
right?
गाइस इट्स रियली
I've tried some stuff which these influencers
Yeah.
raved about and
Yeah.
इतना वो mid निकला था ना कि मतलब कह दो नहीं अच्छा तो कह दो कि चलो 7 out of 10 देते हैं. एक तो हर चीज़ की marks होते
10
हैं.
out of 10, 100 out of 10. I don't get it. Like
8 out of 10.
I
9
used to
out of
really
10.
love Amna Niazi. She's a food blogger. And I genuinely
उन्हीं
thought...
के मैंने वैसे actually recommendations ली थी और बिल्कुल अच्छी
And they
थी.
weren't good.
Yeah, they
Exactly.
were
And
really bad.
पहले before following the recommendations, जब मैं इसका content देखती थी, I used to like love her content so much about food कि मैं कभी-कभी binge watch करती थी उसकी videos. I used to love them so much. But then I was like, okay, अच्छा ये recommend करिए और I would give her that much कि you're very, very believable. Whatever she says,
That
it's
is
not,
true, that
it
is
doesn't
true.
seem fake. She's very, very like, she does it really well. But then I tried, yeah, matlab 2-3 places and they were bad. It wasn't
Yeah.
even like, okay, they did not live up to the hype. This
They were
was
bad.
actually bad food.
Yeah.
So I just feel
Very
that
misleading.
food bloggers need to really amp up and you
Kuch
lose your
different kare
audience,
yaar.
no? If you are not
Do
not
you know about
authentic.
those? Of course, you would. These brothers who are really famous in the food blogging.
Are you talking about which one?
Butt brothers.
Butt Brothers. Oops. I like Butt Brothers. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I liked Butt Eats ka content when
Yeah.
it started. But I don't like it. उसने अपने भाई को भी सेम पटरी पे लगा दिया. And the
Nepotism.
brother looks the same. They have the same content. And it's like
Yeah.
थोड़ा तो कुछ बदल लो या like थोड़ा तो कोई differentiation
Again,
डालो.
yeah,
It's only
I-
होता है copy homework but make it different. वो वाला सीन है.
I know, like जब अमिताभ बच्चन भी अभिषेक को लाया था तो सेम ही तो नहीं लगता था ना, कुछ तो आपको अपनी पर्सनालिटी बनानी पड़ती है. बट I honestly
Yeah.
do enjoy their content. I love their content,
And
especially the Nani series that they do. I think
अच्छा,
that is
मैंने
really
देखा.
warm and sweet, and I love it.
but उनका भी यही है कि खैर अब
Fake reviews.
अब they don't give their opinion on it. They just say
Yeah?
कि we tried it, which is good.
Which is a smart
Which
thing
is
to
yeah,
do.
that's pretty reasonable and that's okay to do.
Yeah.
But
Because people are actually going and लोग अपने पैसे लगा रहे हैं यार उस खाने के ऊपर. और मतलब खाना is, for me at least, is a very emotional thing. Like if I'm eating out,
and you have to plan it. ना.
you have to
आपने एक
plan
जगह
it.
देखी है, आप
You
उधर
have
गए
to
हो, and
give
then
your calorie host. You have to manage your calorie situation. And if
cheat
you
days पे
cheat
जाना-
days, and if you
जाके
eat
खाना
cheat
पड़ता
days
है.
पे अगर आप गंदा खाना खाए ना, उससे बुरी फीलिंग कोई नहीं
Heartbreak.
होती. That's like a
Heartbreak होता है.
heartbreak. Yeah, for sure.
and उस पे आप cheat हो जाओ तो
Yeah. What
that's
about?
criminal.
I think we are missing out a very important platform and a very different kind of fraternity of content creators.
What?
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn वाला कौन मुंह लगा?
Dude, LinkedIn is freaking lit. Nobody gives it importance. Everybody is just checking out Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook and whatever.
funny post होती है LinkedIn की वैसे.
Yeah,
So you've seen-
LinkedIn influencers. I want to talk about them. Let's talk
Okay,
about
talk
them.
about them.
Like,
I'll talk about that.
इतना अपने आप को सेल, I have done it too and I do it. But I just love कि how everybody on that platform knows कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, but they'll still put a thumbs up and they'll still,
Yeah, because
you know,
like
validate
you have
you.
to, for people who don't use LinkedIn, you have to do a lot of self projection. वो scene ही है
And it
LinkedIn
works,
का.
by the way. It
Yeah.
really works for your career. So
But,
I don't blame people for
but
doing
like
that.
some of those posts are really funny because it'll be like, my grandma died today and this is what it taught me about B2B sales, and then it will be about B2B sales.
I swear. Like, what is that?
My reportee came up to me today and said that you are the best boss that ever existed, and all I did
I'm
was
obsessed
XYZ.
with it. I'm
It is
obsessed
so fake.
with
Like
it.
you can just tell this is
I met a
fake.
beggar on the street, and then
This is what
it taught me this about financial planning.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell? But I absolutely love it. I think LinkedIn is my favorite place to go to when I'm feeling down and depressed, and I want to like मैं और down or depressed होना चाहती हूँ. I think that's the place that I go to. And also one thing I don't like on LinkedIn is when people post. I get it that you're professionally endorsing yourself, all for that, and it's a good thing and it really helps your career. But why are you posting about your family on LinkedIn? Why are you posting about your personal life? I mean, don't you
know, I
have
don't think
Instagram and
that's that
Facebook for
bad.
that?
But you know, it sometimes shows people's values. I don't know.
I think it just adds more personality to your face on LinkedIn because
Like
that's why I think
family man
people
or like
do
a
it.
family person, or I don't know.
But I think we should do like a LinkedIn specific podcast because I see a lot of podcast material happening.
Maybe we can
on
put like
LinkedIn
some
now.
edits in of your favorite
I
LinkedIn
know,
posts.
I know.
Here.
I think we should. I think we should put some snippets because a lot of people I think don't. There's very less amount of people who are actually on LinkedIn. Mostly corporate के ही लोग होते हैं. So everybody who's non-corporate, you guys are missing out. Please go check some of these posts out on LinkedIn.
Acha Mariam, would you ever date or marry a guy jiska full time job is being an influencer?
Yeah, as long as he's a big influencer and is making big
Really?
bucks. Yeah, if he's established.
But like तुम्हें ये नहीं होगा कि what if like मैं भी सिर्फ content के लिए हूँ?
No, I think It's okay. Use me for content as long as it's getting you money.
as long as you're getting
As
paid.
long as it's bringing the green bags in, I'm good.
हाँ भाई मतलब चलो जिसका जो दाव लग
सानू
रहा है
की यार।
सानू की
करे यार,
रोल
जो कर।
रोल के हम
Don't
हमने
listen
सारे
to us,
influencers
guys. हमारी कोई importance नहीं है. हम सारी बातें करके घर चले जाएंगे. But you do you.
को या यू डू अगर आपको
You're doing
चल
a
रहा है
great
काम चल रहा है करते रहो भाई
Yeah.
जो करना है करो
Yeah.
और
But for us, like,
I'm not doing that.
I'm
not
doing it.
it.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See ya.
She makes me do it. Bye.
Bye.